From outside, it's almost impossible to tell this luxurious family home is built from shipping containers. This amazing house in New York is built exclusively using shipping containers. The containers are placed side by side, given additional half cuts to create 12-foot ceilings in this amazing shipping container home. The house is covered with exterior cladding to conceal the shipping container structure beneath. In total, this amazing structure accommodates 4 bedrooms, open plan living with master ensuite, giving a total of 2,560 square feet of habitable space. This amazing elevation is fronting the water, and it gives you 180-degree views of the water feature. There is the use of folding glass doors that fold open to create a seamless indoor-outdoor interaction. The use of high-level glass windows creates a clear story effect, giving a well-lit indoor space with 12-foot ceilings, and daylighting is also complemented by the 5 skylights that adorn the walkway from the main entrance. This is a closer view of the lounge area. This is a beautiful electric fireplace. I like this feature wall. There's a big dining set that can sit up to 10 people. I like this chandelier above the dining table, and on the extreme end is a single wall with adequate storage facilities and a big kitchen island that can also serve as a breakfast area. This beautiful waterfall island is a complementary feature, creating a well-equipped modern kitchen space befitting this open plan living area. This is a closer view of the kitchen island and the big open living space, showing the lounge area and this feature wall that is ideal for fixing a flat screen TV. You'll appreciate the use of full height glazing, clear story lighting, and also the 12-foot ceilings. A closer view of the kitchen area, showing the marble kitchen backsplash, the hood above the range, and the wooden cabinets to provide adequate storage. This is a view of the master bedroom. You'll appreciate the use of full height glazing and the white painted interiors to create that feel of large indoor living space. It's a view of the master bathroom. It is spacious. There is a standalone tub. These dual sinks. There's also the use of dual bathroom mirrors and the use of this shower cubicle to and the shower cubicle to create a complete bathroom space. This is a view of the bathroom with unrestricted views of the outdoors, creating a beautiful indoor-outdoor interaction. This is a view of one of the bedrooms, also fitted with full height glazing to create an indoor space that is well lit and ventilated. This is a view of bathroom shared by the 2 bedrooms, a view of the 3rd bedroom with also full height glazing. This is the general view of the property from outside, showing access to individual bedroom spaces directly from outside, provided by these elevated stepping areas. There's also the use of this siding This siding is quite beautiful and it gives this amazing house modern vibes through and through. This is a view of the house showing the well manicured lawns. This is the floor plan of the house I indicated to you earlier. We have the 2 bedrooms on the extreme end. We have this line of 5 skylights and the 2 other bedrooms on the frontage. And then we have this end-to-end open plan living space with a single wall kitchen and a big kitchen island. This amazing house is just commendable. It's almost impossible to tell. It is built using shipping containers, and the modern finishes both inside and out gives it a bit of luxury and high-end living credentials. Which part of this amazing house appeals to the most? Kindly give us your opinion by posting in the comment section below. If you love shipping container homes, feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel where we showcase both low-cost, affordable and high-end shipping container projects from around the world. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. On this channel, we showcase amazing shipping container projects from around the world. If you like this kind of content, then feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel for amazing weekly videos on shipping container projects.